Will artificial intelligence replace human teachers in the future? A question that has been stirring debates across educational and technological communities worldwide. As we delve into this discourse, remember, we're not just talking about a simple substitution, we are exploring a complete revolution in the way education is delivered. In the traditional educational landscape, a teacher stands in front of a class, imparting knowledge and wisdom to a group of students. They guide, mentor, and inspire. They carry the weight of molding young minds, shaping not just their academic skills, but also their perspectives about the world around them. But this approach has its limitations. Class sizes are often too large for individualized instruction, and the one-size-fits-all approach can leave some students behind. Additionally, the logistics of managing a classroom can detract from the actual teaching. Now imagine an artificial intelligence-driven system. This is a learning environment where each student's curriculum is tailored to their individual needs. A system that adapts to each student's pace of learning, strengths, and weaknesses. A system that is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, offering limitless resources at the click of a button. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't get frustrated, and it doesn't have biases. It can deliver a personalized and optimized learning experience with real-time feedback and adjustments. It can make learning more efficient, more effective, and more accessible. But does this mean the end of human teachers? While AI can enhance the learning experience, it can't replace the human touch. The wisdom and experience of a teacher, the empathy and understanding they bring, the motivation, inspiration, and mentorship they offer. These are aspects that AI simply cannot replicate. The future of education is not a choice between human teachers and AI, but rather a blend of the two. AI can take over the administrative tasks, the grading, the data analysis, allowing human teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring and guiding young minds. In conclusion, the question isn't whether AI will replace human teachers. The question is, how can AI enhance the role of human teachers to create a more individualized, effective, and inspiring learning environment? To summarize, the traditional teaching methods, while valuable, have their limitations. AI-driven methods can overcome these limitations, providing a personalized and optimized learning experience. However, the human touch, the inspiration and guidance offered by human teachers cannot be replaced by AI. The future of education lies in a blend of human and AI-driven teaching methods, leveraging the strengths of both to create a more effective learning environment.